Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central.
All right, guys, 2018 Infiniti Q60 T 3.0 Turbo. What we got done on it, twin turbo actually. Factory converter there, then it wires into a single, then wires back out. Then we did a mid resonator delete, and then a rear muffler delete there and there. And we left the factory tips out the back. There and there, as you guys can see. There's the muffler that comes on. It's a big muffler, dual in, dual in, dual out. And there's the two resonators that were on it that we cut off also. So there's the muffler, there's the resonators. That's what it looks like after. We kept the same factory tips. They still look good, so he'll probably bring it back later on. We'll change them. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibels. Yeah. So compare it to yours. See what sounds better, with the X-Pipe or with that? What do you think? Gotta back it out. Coupe too. Sexy car. Here the turtles pulling up. Nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Infiniti Q60 2018 twin turbo, straight pipes, all-wheel drive too.